Ongasekho uGqeberha ULungile Pepeta uwongwe ngesidanga sobugqirha ile University ngegalelo lakhe kwezobugqirha. Lo kaPepeta udlale indima enkulu njengogqirha wenhliziyo nowabantwana.
Prof Lungile Pepeta applied himself with so much passion, dedication and razor-sharp mentality to make medical education accessible and decentralized. The then young man who grew up in the dusty rural village of Bizana went through the edges of life in order to put the future of our communities at the center. This recognition today by Nelson Mandela University goes a long way in healing many wounds, but his dream remains deferred until the health of our people is served at their doorstep.
Le University imqhwabele izandla ngegalelo lakhe kwelicandelo nasekuhlaleni.
Professor Lungile Pepeta embodied the Mandela University values, particularly being in the service of society through public health accountability, advocating for the eradication of the inequities in healthcare provision, especially in remote and under-resourced communities of the Eastern Cape in particular, and for South Africa as a whole.
Lo kaPepeta bengomnye wogqirha abasungule isikolo sobugqirha sokuqala kule University. Kwindaba ze SABC ndingulwando nomoyi ndiseGqeberha.